A fourth strategy for recovering insurance is to carefully evaluate all of the insurance policies under which a policyholder might obtain coverage. Some of those policies include the typical directors and officers coverage, which typically provides the broadest coverage. Policyholders also look to errors and omissions coverage, which particularly can focus on failure to provide certain services. And then also there might be coverage under HIPAA-related policies or investigation coverage. Another policy that businesses should also be considering is their employment practices liability insurance. Even if there is not an employment cause of action, there still might be coverage for an allegation related to that employment. And therefore, it's important to look at a business's entire insurance program when tendering notice. A fifth strategy that we advise policyholders to use in recovering money from their insurance policies for FCA claims is to pursue not just defense coverage, but also indemnity coverage. Of course, when an investigation or FCA litigation is moving along, the defense costs are high, and policyholders want to secure coverage for that. However, they should be thinking about those potentially high indemnity costs as well. Costs arising from FCA settlements can include civil fines and penalties, and that does not necessarily mean that they are not covered under insurance. Many courts have construed FCA damages to be compensatory in nature and therefore covered under insurance. The important takeaway for policyholders is that they may be able to obtain coverage for both defense and indemnity in FCA matters. Because of the labyrinth of events that can occur to businesses, from an inquiry by the government to the possibility of a settlement involving FCA damages or an in-court verdict in a Qui Tam matter, with experienced coverage counsel, businesses may be able to obtain coverage for both the defense and the indemnity costs in whistleblower cases. FCA matters and whistleblower Qui Tam FCA matters are complicated matters, often covering an expanse of several years, during which time a policyholder may be subject to government inquiry, government investigation, subpoenas, and then litigation in court. And all of this may last for a long period of time. With an experienced coverage firm like Miller Friel, businesses can navigate those complexities and, with our help, secure insurance coverage for both defense and indemnity costs.